Shawwood is a home for life. By Sekisui House, Japan's premier home builder and developer. Shawwood was born in Japan in 1995. Shawwood are wooden frame homes built using Sekisui House's proprietary production system that saves construction time and eliminates waste. Shawwood makes home the happiest place in the world. A place where peace of mind is a way of life. A place where every stage in life plays out again and again across the generations. Shawwood is a distinctive home. The comfortable grand interior spaces, freely designed to match the customer's changing lifestyle, are a true distinction of Shawwood. The full-length windows of Clearview design connect the outside to the interior living spaces. A Shawwood home connects you to nature and enables you to live as one with the environment. Nestled within its natural surroundings, Shawwood provides a haven for human activity that is in harmony with the local ecosystem. Shawwood is a model of sustainable home building. Sustainable and ethical lumber and wood products contribute to the conservation of the natural environment. Warm in winter and cool in summer, a Shawwood is engineered for energy efficiency and reduced home maintenance over time. We use superior thermal insulation in highly efficient energy-saving and energy-generating technologies and equipment to achieve both a comfortable lifestyle and significant CO2 reductions as we work towards a carbon-free society. Bellburn, high-grade porcelain exterior wall tiles are the hallmark of Shawwood, forged to perfection in Japan. Bellburn delivers beauty that endures. Exterior design of Shawwood literally knows no limits. Traditional and modern materials combine to create a timeless architectural statement. Shawwood is a celebration of craftsmanship and innovation. It combines traditional concepts with high technology to forge long-lasting materials that bring new dimensions to home building. It brings comfort to life. Proprietary Sekisui House techniques leverage the inherent strength of wood. A Shawwood is built from a proprietary pre-engineered laminated post and beam structure. The strength of the laminated frame enables the grand spaces and wide openings. Manufactured in a factory means materials are precision pre-engineered. Each pillar and beam is custom designed to suit the desired mode of living. Integrated construction and manufacturing processes ensure end-to-end quality control and just-in-time delivery. A proprietary metal joint construction system with laminated post and beam components interlock to become a rigid structure that is as strong as steel. Fewer workers are required on the building site, yet construction time is also reduced. Tasks are routine and can be learned quickly, resulting in high-quality work and consistency. This integrated design, manufacturing, and construction process is the foundation of our distinctive tailor-designed, precision-crafted homes. Shawwood is a home for life. Shawwood is the key to a happy home.